friends, and welcome back to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. So today's reading, what is coming in April 2023 for Aquarius Zodiac. Let us take a look at your cards. Your first card, Nightingale Spirit. Love is all around. What a beautiful card. You can expect a lot of fulfilling emotions, fulfilling relationships, feeling fulfilled through people is what April 2023 is bringing for you. This card also brings with it expression of emotions. It is about feeling love. It is about loving. It is also about expressing what you feel. So the good thing is that not only is there love all around you in April 2023, but also if you've been wanting to express your love to your loved ones, be it your family or friends or a special somebody in your life, then now is the perfect time to do so, and it will happen effortlessly for you. Not only that, if you have been waiting for someone to express their love for you, then your wait is now coming to an end. This is an excellent time to expect them to express how they feel for you. Okay, so that's the general theme I see here for April 2023. Now let us look at what else is the month bringing for you. Four of Wands. It's a clear time of celebrations, enjoyment. Focus is people. Focus is relationships. The focus for this month is about spending time at home, making your life comfortable, making your home comfortable. So you may try things like, you may have repair work or any long-standing beautification you wanted, making your home comfortable. This is the perfect time when all of that will happen effortlessly. You will also be able to spend a lot of quality time with your friends, enjoy, party, go over for dinners, go for maybe go sit and watch a movie with a friend. So a lot of home time with people you love and care for. Maybe have a music party at home or something like that. So yes, at home, partying at home, and with people you love. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so a time where you may experience some change in your financial situation. You can actually think of growing your business. Really, if you had been, this is the time where you can expect yourself to be very motivated about making more money, or maybe working out, taking care of your body, taking care of your fitness routine. It's a lot about making life comfortable and allow it to bloom. Your next card is the Empress card. Fantastic. If you have been planning a family, good news is on the way. If you're already pregnant, then again a fantastic month ahead. You will feel rejuvenated. You will feel loved and cared for. This is again a fantastic month for relationship with your mother and with your children. The next cards we're going to look at, the next set of cards that we're going to look at will be about how you feel internally. Okay, all this is happening, but how is it making you feel, and how your spiritual journey or your religious journey is going to be, how your inner growth is going to be in April 2023. The first card is totality. Morality. And your final card here is Thunderbolt. So Aquarius, I do see you really feeling fulfilled and happy about all the love and people interaction that will be there in your life in this month. I also see a sudden shift in how you perceive things, in your belief systems. If you feel, you may actually feel that some of the ways in which you thought until now are now breaking and coming off and making you more fluid, making you more, more expansive, more accepting, more open as a person, internally especially. You will feel things that were holding you back, beliefs or, maybe some judgments about people or certain sects or certain sects of society or, a general belief system. You will see a shift in you regarding that. And you will feel that all that is kind of really being pulled down so that you can build your belief systems afresh. You will see you expanding, and you are kind of, really breaking down any negative restrictions, rigid patterns, and becoming more fluid, expansive, growth oriented in terms of your belief systems. So fantastic time there as well, though it can be sometimes a little painful maybe, or maybe accompanied by some disruptive feelings. Okay. Now the next thing is looking at different areas of your life, like career, finances, love life, etc., to see what's happening in each area of your life. So the Four of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the World card, and the Eight of Cups. Okay. So, Four of Swords here, Aquarius, you may spend a lot of time at home, which we have already seen. You may actually spend a lot of time relaxing and sleeping at home, taking a break, trying to recuperate. If there's been any kind of health issue, now is the time where you will rest and recuperate. You may also take a mental break or break from, external things and retreat at home, spend a lot of time at home. Spend a lot of time saying that, okay, I don't want to kind of exert my mind, I just want to relax. In terms of career, I see this is a good month. You will be able to, you will be able to reap fruits for whatever you have put in. And you will get rewarded as much as you have put in. Also, if you've been expecting some raise at your workplace or financial, I would say some better returns at business, growing your finances, growing your profits in business, this is a fantastic month for that. To see profits come in as a result of hard work. With the World card here, this is also a good month in terms of your love life and your married life. Whatever stage your relationship is in, or even if you are single, you will be fulfilled by your love status, if I may say so. If you're single, you're gonna just enjoy being single. If you are not single and you are in a relationship, whether it is just being interested in someone or being in a relationship or being married, in any of the case, you will enjoy thoroughly being in that situation. And also, this is a fantastic time for taking your relationship to the next level. So if you are wanting to propose, this is a fantastic time, especially with the Nightingale Spirit card here and the World card here. You can actually express or expect your beloved to express and take the relationship onto the next level. If you are already in a relationship, again, you can expect new developments and take it on to the next level. If you are married, fantastic time, a time where you feel fulfilled in your marriage. With the Eight of Cups here, I see that you will not really take too much interest in your finances at all this month. Your mind will be elsewhere, probably in relationships, at home, and taking a break, or maybe rebuilding your belief system, but it is not there in your financial situation. You will not take interest in your finances. Even though finances seem to be okay, except that you need to be a little watchful about sudden unexpected developments or any sudden ups and downs. Ups are fine, but be careful of the downs. Any kind of sudden ups and downs in your financial situation. And your last card, a special card, some special message for you, Aquarius. So you have drawn the meadowlark. It says, protect. How can I safeguard what is sacred to me? So this is actually a double-edged sword, as I see here. This card is actually acting like a double-edged sword, because on the one hand, where it tells you to protect that which you believe in, that which is sacred to you and important to you, there, on the other hand, it is also saying, what is it that you need to release? What is it that you are protecting too fiercely? Because with these cards here, Morality and Thunderbolt, I see that you may actually want to overprotect certain ideologies and belief systems, but life you will want to rip you off any kind of belief system which is harmful for your growth. And you may want to actually hold on to it. So that may cause some kind of ruffle, pain, discomfort. And the card is definitely saying that you need to protect only that Safeguard only that which is beneficial to you, and release with love whatever it is that needs to be released and is not serving you. So Aquarius, this is your month, April 2023, and I wish you have a lovely time ahead. To take very good care of yourself, guys. Bye-bye.